back to the channel again. Another unboxing for you. This one is a special unboxing. As you see, the whole desk is clear. And the reason why is because this diamond painting is actually much bigger than my desk. Much bigger. Biggest diamond painting I've ever bought. I've really wanted to try this company because I've heard good things about them, plus the fact that they work with maximum amount of colors. This is Royal Diamond Painting. This particular one I ordered has 100 colors, and the only way you could get it with 100 colors was to order the biggest one they had, and that's what I did. I ordered the biggest one they had. This one is a 100 by 165. So we're looking at 3 feet wide by 4.5 feet long, somewhere around that range.
Way bigger than this table.
Yes. So it's going to be huge. So let's get to the unboxing here. One thing I do want to say about shipping is I am super highly impressed with the shipping on this. It literally overnight shipping from China. How does that happen?
Mind blown. Boom.
Yeah, I was totally It left China on February 27th. It left Yiwu, China, and it made it here to my doorstep at 10:30 in the morning on the 28th. I'm at a loss for words. Great job on the shipping there, Royal Diamond Painting. I mean, granted, I paid enough for this.
Sure.
I paid quite a bit for this one, so
let's not go into how much.
Yeah. But they did a good job making sure it was sent out quickly.
And hopefully it's worth every penny.
I hope so. I hope it really will be. Ugh. There we go.
I got the cap
Take
over
the
here.
knife.
Got it.
Oh, lordy, lordy. Oh, this thing's heavy.
I was going to say, I'll pull the box if you pull the canvas.
All right. I'm looking at it now. I'm not really a fan of the way that... Well, it's not bad. Okay. All right. There's a pack of drills.
Okay. Mom's going to help.
There's another pack of drills. A canvas. There's more in the box, folks. More drills, more drills, more drills. And that looks like an empty box. To me. Does it? Yes. Yes. No. Maybe. Yep. It's an empty box.
Okay. Here you go, assistant. Mother assistant.
There's a lot of blue in this one, obviously. There's lots and lots of blue in this one.
I don't think we're going to open up the drills and look at every single color, but we'll show you like a smaller pack and go through.
Yeah, we'll have to inventory the drills later. There are 100 colors. 100 colors. So let's move the drills off the desk because we're going to need the entire desk for this.
Mom's hitting me.
The drills are nicely packed, by the way. And as far as your... Oh, nice toolkit. Got a pink pen with a single placer and a 6-placer on it. And you get a cheap pair of angled tweezers. Good for pulling nose hairs out, plucking eyebrows maybe. Okay. Yeah, they're in the Ziploc bag as well. The toolkit is. 1, 2, 3 pieces of wax. Small little bunch of baggies.
Double-sided adhesive.
It is double-sided adhesive. Well, you can tell that by when we pulled it out.
Not everyone knows.
And you get a second pink pen with a 6-placer and a single placer on it. I guess they figure nobody's going to do one this big alone. You know what I just discovered? The pink pens are different sizes.
Interesting.
Yeah.
The tubes.
Yeah, the tubes.
Yes.
I get several different ones.
Like
all sizes.
Yeah.
So there's your toolkit. It's a little bit more than a typical toolkit because you did get 3 big chunks of wax in there. But you still get the cheap tweezers, which, you know.
Did you want to, before we unroll it, show them, or try to show them the thumbnail?
Yes, we will try to look at the thumbnail here. The thumbnail, I don't think that's going to work either. It is the Disney Castle, as you can see there.
Oh, the foam rollers
and the
coming
foam
out.
rollers coming out.
I love that. That's actually.
And it is, yes, 100 by 165 square Magical Castle.
My mom can even help us with that.
And
she's laughing.
Let's pull the.
Okay, well you gotta lay it flat on the.
I can't lay it flat on the table yet. Okay. All right. Let's pull the corners back.
I can't roll it the other way, Mama. It's double-sided adhesive. It'll bubble real bad. Or glue you can. Oh, hold on.
Very clear drill field.
Wow. Not confetti-ish like I thought it would be.
No, it's not. It's very.
It's respectful.
Yeah, there's some confetti there, but there's a lot of color blocking.
It's respectful. Mom says she can't work on it because it's respectful.
Oops.
She was kidding, by the way, you guys.
That is nice.
Uh-oh, you pulled it up a little bit over there, didn't you?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's okay, it's fixable.
Yeah, it's always fixable.
There's a hole in this one here.
Ooh.
You see that?
Yeah, I see a little hole in the. A little hole in the.
In the glue and the.
In the glue too?
Yeah. It's not like.
Yeah, it'll.
Bad.
It'll be alright. Looks like something kind of, probably the tweezers or something, probably punctured the paper a little bit.
Hold it while
yes.
Wow.
Okay. What is that?
Oh, that's like the middle of the canvas. Or no, ink splatter. It's ink. You can still.
Ink splash. Okay.
Yeah,
I can see what it is. It's just.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're going to turn it this way. And we got to unroll, 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 unroll. Keep going. Keep unrolling. Keep unrolling. Good Lord. It's going to go off the edge of the desk. Nope, it's going to go right past the edge of the desk. Jeez.
So now we got to roll it.
Oh, this thing's big.
Turn it this way so we can do the same side to that side.
Okay. Okay. Well, we just probably just created some bubbles there.
They're fixable. They really are, guys. My mom's like in shock over here. I've never seen one this big in person either. Melissa did one similar to this size. Not as wide. You remember?
Yeah.
I don't remember what it's called, but.
That's pretty.
Where are you going to put it, Bridie?
There's.
Yeah.
That is big. Big, big.
Oh, there's a bubble here.
There's
Factory
a bubble. Oh, okay. Well, we'll fix it. No issue there.
Yeah, he'll do it when he gets ready to work on it.
Oh, this thing's massive, y'all.
A good thing we put that under our table as a roller thingy.
Now we just gotta make room under the table. We've acquired many things.
Including a mother-in-law.
Right? I don't like that it's in layers like this.
Well, how else are they gonna do it?
I know. Does it look like
that?
Is, oh, it's upside down.
It's
okay,
upside
this is the
down.
bottom.
Yeah, that's the bottom.
Wow, look at it on camera.
Yes.
Wow.
It is very, very sticky.
Impressive.
I'm impressed.
I like it.
It's impressive.
It's gonna be a fun one to work on.
I'm gonna have to roll it up to put it away if we're not working on it right away. But which may cause bubbles.
Yes, I know. May cause bubbles. So yeah, let's put it up like it was, and let's move this out of the way. Hank got a new toy there. And there we go, folks. That is a 100 by 165 diamond painting. Literally 100 colors all the way down, letters. Oh, wow.
It's picking up on something here.
Probably trying to focus on that light.
That one.
Yeah. Handed it. I'm not a fan of this webcam. I really am
I'm
not.
either.
Okay. There.
Stop!
It's not your child, Amber.
It's acting like a child.
Well,
I don't know what's causing it.
it's impressed like we are.
Yeah, it's blown away. It's actually hanging off the end of the desk over here quite a ways.
I
See?
can't fix it.
About a foot.
There's hanging off the end of the desk there quite a ways. You can see there. Yep. So yeah, it's a big, massive diamond painting. So I don't really want to pull all the drills out.
But I will show all the colors like this.
Oops. Okay, there we go. They're all individually bagged.
They look like small packets, not the big packets.
Yeah, they're the small packets, so I'll just have to do an inventory. It did not come with an inventory sheet, so I really don't know
This
how
is all
many
one color.
of each one I'm supposed to have.
That's all in one color.
No, it's
No?
separate colors.
Two different
Yeah,
shades
there's
in
two
there.
different shades of blue in that one.
I will count. Oh, hey, babe.
Yes. Oh, there is an inventory sheet. Awesome. Never mind. Never mind, y'all. Inventory sheet is there. So
we'll open that one up and show you the quality of drills.
okay. I don't know if it's not so perfectly packed.
Well, are you working on it soon? I'm gonna kit it up. I thought this was our next one.
Yeah, it will be. Because this is going to take us about a year to do.
No, we can't kit it up today, but.
Yeah, we won't go to kit it up today. We got a hockey game to go to tonight, so. Crinkling, folks, yes. Lots of crinkling.
I will probably do inventory on it tonight, though.
You'll be too tired of the hockey game. You'll walk in the door and say, I'm ready to go to bed.
Last night didn't count. Last night, or yesterday, I worked, and it's gonna.
Okay, it's actually got
Two.
a double inventory sheet. This goes from numbers 1 to 50, and this is 50 to 100.
Wow.
And again, here's a better view of the finished image, or what it's supposed to look like. It's the Disney castle. And I guess you can imagine who's getting this diamond painting when I'm done with it.
Grandbabies.
This thing is just huge.
It is squares. I don't know if he's mentioned that.
Yeah, there will be no hanging this one in the closet. It's going to have to get rolled up. There's not even enough room. This thing is as big as our bed.
Look at the quality, though. That's pretty cool.
Yes, very good drill quality.
I don't want to pull them all out, guys.
I want to say ever moment drill quality.
You know what I'll do? I'll record a kit up. I'll record it in time lapse. That way you guys can see all the colors.
Okay, that'll work. There, you heard it here first, folks.
Not anytime soon, but when we go to start on it. Or right around when we start on it. Maybe tomorrow all night. I don't know.
Okay. Well, tomorrow we're going to be watching the race, so.
No problem.
Okay. That'll work.
My mom will help.
Yeah. So there you have it, folks. Royal Diamond Painting. I will link them down below in the description. So far, I'm impressed. I don't see any major issues, difficulties, or complaints. Little minor things, but those are to be expected. Nothing that's not fixable. On first glance, it appears all the drills are present, but we will figure that out. Somebody did check them all off on here, so.
Where TF are we starting on this thing?
The beginning.
I would say a corner. I would start at the bottom and work your way up.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
Only
So,
you
but
don't
yeah,
twist
it looks great. I'm impressed so far. This is by far the biggest endeavor I've undertaken, or that we have undertaken. This is bigger than our nativity scene one, and this is a full drill. There's no partial to this one. So it's going to take us a while. We're going to have a lot of fun with it. Can't wait to get started. And you will be seeing a whole lot more of this one in the future. So until then, rock on, y'all.
Toodles!